guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come to you guys really quickly to tell you about this product that was sent to me to try out and review. So this product is from a company called Nutri Professionals, and it's called the Amazon List Brazilian Keratin Smoothing Treatment. And what this is basically like a Brazilian blowout, but something that you do at home, and it contains natural ingredients like acai and also cocoa. And basically what it's supposed to do for your hair is it's supposed to smooth your hair. If you have like a curly texture, it straightens your hair, it smooths it, it adds shine, and also too, it's supposed to be non-damaging, and also it lasts for up to 4 months. So I tried this out. I didn't try it out on myself. My hair is natural. I don't put chemicals in my hair, but I tried it out on my daughter, and I will show you guys the picture in a minute, but let me just tell you a little bit about the process. So it's a 3-step process. You wash the hair first, and it's pretty simple. It takes like an hour and a half, 2 hours to do. You wash the hair first with the step 1 that they give you, which is the anti-residue shampoo. They clean your hair really, really good. You wash it 2 times with that, and then you kind of blow dry your hair, but on a cool setting, and you blow dry it like almost to 85%. Then you section it and get it ready for part 2, which is the actual Brazilian smoothing treatment. And what you do then is you take this and you just spread it on the hair. You do it in increments, like you split the hair up and then you do the increments and you spread it and make sure you get it from the root to the tip. And then after you do that, you blow dry the hair with the treatment on, and you blow dry it up to, you want to do it on cool, because if you do it on hot, it's not a good thing. It's like, if you do it on hot, it smells stronger. Because, these are chemicals, it's a Brazilian, it's keratin, it's a smoothing treatment. But if you do it on cool and you take your time and you blow dry, you should be fine. And then after that, you have to, now this is the part that took the longest. You have to flat iron the hair. And you have to flat iron it for like a few times. Each section, you just have to flat iron it a few times. The instructions are in the box. It tells you everything what to do. And then after you flat iron it, then you wet it again. I know this sounds crazy, but promise it's the process. You wet it again, and then you add step 3 to your hair, which is the intensive repair mask. And this is the stuff that, keeps your hair from getting damaged. It rebuilds those bonds, and it puts all the shine into it and all that good stuff. And then you dry it and go about your day. And basically, once you use this product, it's supposed to eliminate on drying time. You won't have to flat iron your hair when you're getting ready. It's it works really, really good. I'm going to insert a picture somewhere up here to show you guys the before and the after. When I did this with my daughter, the only thing that I can say is that it took a while to do, but it did come out really, really nice, and it was very, very pretty. So, and also too, we didn't even use all of the product on her hair. We still have some left, so if she wants to do a second treatment, she can do a second treatment, which I think is cool. So this product retails for, I believe, $55. Don't quote me on that. I will definitely leave a link to their website in the description box. But they sent me a discount code for anyone who is interested in using this, where you can get 15% off with the code YouTube. All you have to do is put in the code YouTube, and it knocks your price 15% lower. So I think that's pretty cool. So if you are ever interested in doing a home straightening kit and you want to see the results, then try Nutri. So with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative to you, and I'll see you guys in my next one.